Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Chelsea Nasyanirum, student number 25020200142. I will make a video podcast with Sis Fioni. Before we begin our discussion, could you tell me a little about yourself?
Alright, so my name is Fioni Putri Katrisnani. I am majoring in English education and now I am in the 5th semester.
Now let me ask you some questions. Question number 1. So explain why English is important for students.
Alright, so English important for student because English is a global language. Many books, journal and resources are written in English. Then by learning English, students can access more knowledge and also communicate with people from different countries.
Question number 2. How can English help students after graduation?
Alright, so after graduation, English can help students get better job opportunities because many companies requires people who can communicate with because many companies require people who can communicate especially in English because it's for presentation and also teamwork. Then English also help students continue their studies or apply for the scholarship.
And question number 3. In your opinion, how significant a role does English play in opening up career and educational opportunities?
English plays a very important role because it opens doors to international education, global careers, and also international network. And then usually students with good English skills usually have more chances and choices of success.
Question number 4. In your experience, what problems do students typically face when learning English?
In my experience, many students struggle with vocabulary, grammar, and also pronunciation. So many of them usually are afraid of making mistakes. So when they speak English, they feel shy or afraid of making mistakes.
Question number 5. So how do you usually improve your English skill, especially speaking?
I improve my speaking by practicing every day with my friends, and also I watch some video that use English, and also I listen to music or podcast in YouTube, especially TED Talks. Then I also try to think and speak with myself. That's it.
Question number 6. Do you have any simple tips for students to use English more actively?
Yes, I have some simple tips. The first one, students can start with small steps like you talk and you make a conversation with your friends every day. Then you can, when you text to your friend or send a message, you can try to write in English in WhatsApp. Then you can also changing your the setting in your phone become English. That's it.
Question number 7. How can we maintain a balance between using English and preserving regional language?
Alright, so I can use English for global communication and in my education. I still use regional languages in my daily life, especially with my family, with my friends, and also for the cultural activities. But for me, both of the languages are important and can exist together.
And question number 8. Many students lack confidence when speaking English. How can they overcome this feeling?
Students should not be afraid of making mistakes because mistakes are a part of learning. So you don't need to feel afraid or shy when you speak English.
Question number 9. How significant an impact does English have on accessing digital information such as social media or the internet?
So English has a big impact because in this era, most digital content such as in websites, research articles, and also social media, even in tutorial are in English. And then understanding in English also helps students can get accurate and updated information.
Question number 10. Does practicing English with friends really help?
Yes, it really helps because practicing with friends makes learning more relaxed and fun. It also helps students become more confident and fluent in English.
Question number 11. With message, what you like to convey to students who are still lacking confidence in their English skill?
Don't be afraid to try. Confidence comes from practice, not perfection. So keep learning, keep practicing, and also believe in yourself. Every small effort, every small things that you try will lead to improvement.
Question number 12. What resources or tools can students use to improve English outside in classroom?
Okay, so students or you can use some application like YouTube or TikTok or Instagram, or just read simple books that write in English. That's it.
And next question. How important is cultural understanding while learning English?
It's important because knowing other cultures can help us understand that language better and communicate politely.
And the last question, can learning English improve critical thinking and creativity? How?
Yes, because reading and thinking in English makes our brain think in the new ways so that it can solve the problems creatively. That's it.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.